Hey guys, welcome to another video. Just wanted to show off this cordless blower that I bought off Amazon. It's a Black & Decker and it says a hard surface sweeper, and I guess they say that because it's not as powerful as an actual blower. But it is cordless, 20 volt, and this is the model number here, LSW221. And you can see someone actually using it there. So I'll go ahead and open it up here and show you what's inside. So looks like it can do 130 miles per hour up to, and I think this was about 60 bucks on Amazon. So first you have the battery here. So you've got 1.5 amp 20 volt, and this is pretty much similar to the other Black & Decker batteries that we have. Got your little instruction manual, and I guess it covers multiple models here, so I guess you have like the better model and then this model. You have the unit itself. It's got the new Black & Decker logo on the side here. So you've got your little fan at the bottom that pulls in the air. It gives you the warnings and everything here, and then on the side you'll see there's some clips that you clip the extension on to, and here's the extension here, and that is it. Alright, so that's the little extension. Let's put it on here and see how it looks. I'm just trying to do this one-handed, so not too bad. Alright, so there you go. And that's how you pull it off. You just squeeze that and it comes off here. And then your battery just slides in right there. Let's see. Hang on. There we go. Yeah, just need a little slap there. And there you have it. Alright, and then we'll go test it out. So I thought I got everything out of the box because I have the whole unit here, but the one thing I did forget was the charger here. So it's in this little triangular thing here, and it looks like it's a typical Black & Decker charger, where you just slide it on here, and it's got the little pins there, and shows how it charges. So it has little dashes to show how it blinks when it's charging or when it's really dead, due to temperature, when the battery's bad, I guess, when it's charging, and then when it's full. And it's just a regular plug, no third prong or anything. So just wanted to show that there is a charger in the box. And just want to show the charger here. So this is what it looks like. So it's blinking green, so showing it's charging. And I have a whole bunch of other Black & Decker products, so that's why I went for another one. And it's easier just to have, like, you know, multiple batteries and just pop one into whatever you have. I have the weed whacker. I now have this the blower now. I have a drill, and what else do I have here? Too many too many things. Anyway, so that's the charger there. Alright, so we're at my front porch here. Just gonna give this thing a little try. It's not terribly dirty, but there's a little bit of dirt and everything from some outside cats that we feed. So you got the little button here, and it should just turn on. Hopefully it has some power. Not too shabby.